Hey friends, if you encounter the audio renderer error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. This is what the error looks like, and it says please restart your computer. So obviously try restarting your computer first. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. And you can also unplug and replug your default audio device. Like if you're using a headphone or a speaker, then remove it and then plug it back in. Now, the next solution that has been suggested on multiple forums is to update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the video window search bar and open the device manager window. Expand this list to audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each driver and select search automatically for drivers. Right click, update, search automatically for drivers. Right click, update, search automatically for drivers. And do the same with any other audio related drivers here. The next solution is to reinstall these audio drivers, obviously if they don't work. So open the device manager. Now I won't reinstall it or else it will stop the audio in this video that I'm recording. But here's how you can do it. Expand this, right click on the device and select uninstall device. Now this will uninstall the device. So click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. The last solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.